In this video, I'm about to compare Bootstrap and React. The pros of Bootstrap include its extensive library of pre-designed component and responsive grid system, which make it easy to quickly build mobile-friendly, visually consistent websites. With a large community and detailed documentation, Bootstrap also offers excellent support for troubleshooting and customization. The cons of Bootstrap are that its styles can make a website look similar unless additional customization is added. It's primarily a CSS framework, so for dynamic and interactive features, extra JavaScript may be required. The pros of React are its flexibility for creating interactive, component-based applications, allowing developers to build reusable UI components with dynamic data handling. React's Virtual DOM improves performance, and its vast ecosystem supports building single-page application efficiently. The cons of React are that it requires a learning curve for beginners, especially if unfamiliar with JavaScript. It's a JavaScript library rather than a CSS framework, so styling requires additional libraries or custom CSS for layout and design. Choosing between the two depends on your need. Bootstrap is ideal for fast, responsive layouts with minimal setup, while React is better suited for interactive, dynamic applications with reusable components and advanced functionality. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.